Famous people. Mahatma Gandhi. Who was Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi was an important leader of India. He helped end the British rule of India. India became a free country. Gandhi is famous for how he did this. He and his followers did not fight with weapons. They used nonviolent disobedience. This means that he asked the people of India to disobey the British, but not to hurt anyone. Nonviolent disobedience was something new. It was a peaceful way to make a change. Early years. Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869, in Porbandar, India. His parents called him Mohandas. He was born and raised in a Hindu family. Gandhi had many brothers and sisters. As a boy, he liked to read about famous Indian people. Gandhi learned about love and honesty from these stories. Later in life, he remembered what he had learned from the stories. Gandhi also liked to twist the ears of dogs. Studies. When he was a young boy, Gandhi moved with his family to Rajkot. Here, he started to go to the local school. His school was not far from where he lived. He learned arithmetic, geography, and history. Later, he went to Kathiawar High School, where he learned English. When he was young, he was only an average student. His teachers also said he wasn't very good at sports and he had bad handwriting. Marriage. Gandhi was married at an early age. His wife was a young woman named Kasturba. This was called an arranged marriage, and this meant that Gandhi's parents and Kasturba's parents decided that Gandhi and Kasturba would get married. After the wedding, Kasturba spent most of her time at her parents' house, not with her new husband Gandhi. Later, as they grew older, Gandhi and Kasturba had 4 sons. Studying in England. After his father died, the family told Gandhi he should go to London to become a lawyer. His mother did not want Gandhi to go. As a Hindu, he could not eat meat. He promised her he would not eat meat in England, so this made his mother happy. Gandhi studied at a law school in London. Some of the people he met read Hindu and Buddhist books. When he was in London, Gandhi started to think about religion. South Africa. At this time, Britain ruled many countries like India and South Africa. When he was 24, Gandhi found a job as a lawyer in South Africa. In South Africa, Gandhi worked for Indians who were Hindu and some who were Muslim. Now he saw that it was important to be kind and fair to all people from India. But this was not how the British felt. People from India were not allowed to do the same things as British people. They could not go into the same hotels where British people stayed. The Natal Indian Congress. Gandhi lived for 21 years in South Africa. He saw things that made him want to help his people. After the British said that people from India could not vote, Gandhi helped form the Natal India Congress. Natal was an area of South Africa. It was in Natal that Gandhi united all the people from India. When they disobeyed the British, Gandhi and his followers did not fight back. Many were put into jail and some were killed, but Gandhi was teaching everyone nonviolent disobedience. Back to India. Gandhi was now famous. He was invited back to India to join the Indian National Congress. Gandhi became its leader in 1920. This group wanted India to be free from Britain, but they had to move slowly. They talked many times with the British and asked for more rights. At the same time, Gandhi was trying to bring Hindus and Muslims together. He wanted all people from India to join his non-violent disobedience. The British did not want to leave India, so Gandhi decided more things had to be done. The Salt March. The British made the people of India pay a tax on salt. Gandhi led his followers on a 241-mile walk to the sea where he made his own salt. This showed that the people could make their own salt. They did not have to pay taxes on salt to the British. The British put 60,000 people in jail after the Salt March. Gandhi also asked his followers to stop buying British clothes. He had a spinning wheel and made his own clothes. This was to show people that they could make their own clothes and not give money to the British. Freedom at last. Gandhi kept on working for freedom. He and his wife, Kasturba, were put into jail. She died after 18 months, and Gandhi was set free after 2 years. At the end of World War II, Britain said that it would leave India. India became a free country on August 15, 1947. A separate Muslim country called Pakistan was formed. Gandhi was very unhappy about this because he wanted Muslims and Hindus to live together in peace. Gandhi was killed on January 30th, 1948. He is known in India as the father of the nation.